The North Suburban market is not that different than other markets where you have specific subcategories or micro markets that far exceed the statistics elsewhere. Here at Eden's Corporate Center, we have a project that previously was undercapitalized and only leased at about 65%. Within the last 18 to 24 months, with new ownership, new capital, and new improvements, the property's moved to about 92% occupancy. During difficult times, we often hear the mantra flight to quality, reflecting the fact that people are moving upscale to buildings because they can buy them at more attractive rents than they can when the market's hot. This project is an example of that. This is Corporate 500, a beautiful campus, probably the premier campus in the North Suburban marketplace for multi-tenant use. It has continued to have a high occupancy rate through the ups and downs of the marketplace. And even when a tenant is lost due to some corporate restructuring or change in organization, they've been able to backfill it quickly. So here we are pulling off at Half Day Road, being flanked on the west by Milwaukee Avenue and on the east by Waukegan Road. This intersection represents the center of the central North Suburban submarket. Unlike what we had in the Edens corridor, what we have in the Evanston corridor, this is a micro market that has really been punished with excessively high vacancy, due in no small part to distressed ownership and limited capability of the previous owners to reinvest in the property, secure tenants, and maintain their assets. As we return to the north on Lakeside Drive and cross over Route 22, we're going to come up to 3000 Lakeside Drive. This property most recently was secured via foreclosure by C3, a special servicer. This Class A property, once recapitalized, will represent an excellent opportunity for a tenant looking for quality space at an attractive rate. TriState International, this is a complex of about 700,000 square feet, recently taken back by Principal, the lender, and they've elected to be an owner-operator of this project, trying to re-let it after a number of years with limited capital. They're chasing large deals such as CDW to try to quickly backfill some of that vacancy now that they've taken control. And this intersection itself of 11 buildings is 50% vacant. With the new capital that's come in recently, one should expect a turnaround in the occupancy with significant enhancement over what they've been able to accomplish in the last 3 to 5 years.